Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mornings can be tough, especially when juggling projects, family, and everything in between. Breakfast often ends up forgotten or replaced by a quick coffee. Skipping breakfast doesn't just leave your stomach empty, it can leave you feeling drained and unmotivated. But that changes today. This video is here to change that narrative. We're going to dive into 5 simple, healthy breakfast ideas perfect for busy women like you. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get cooking. Let's be honest, sometimes mornings feel like we're racing against the clock. That's why I love overnight oats. They're like a little gift you give yourself the night before. Simply grab a jar, add half a cup of rolled oats, and pour in half a cup of your favorite milk. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds, add sliced banana or any fruit you like, and a dash of cinnamon. Give everything a good stir, pop it in the fridge, and that's it. When you wake up, your breakfast is ready and waiting for you. Easy, nutritious, and delicious. Some mornings call for something quick and easy to take on the go. Start with a base of leafy greens, a cup of spinach or kale. Add half an avocado or a tablespoon of nut butter for creamy texture and healthy fats. Throw in a handful of your favorite berries and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. Pour in a cup of your preferred plant milk, and, if you want, add a teaspoon of maca powder or flaxseed for hormone balance. Blend it up, and you have a power-packed breakfast in a glass. For those weeks when you can barely find time to breathe, meal prepping is a game changer. Whisk together 6 to 8 eggs and add your favorite veggies: diced spinach, peppers, onions, mushrooms, or zucchini. Sprinkle in salt, pepper, and maybe some herbs like oregano or basil. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Let them cool completely, then store them in the fridge for a quick and easy breakfast all week long. Simple, nutritious, and ready to go. During colder months, our bodies crave warmth and nourishment. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of eating warm cooked foods in the morning. One of my favorite Ayurvedic breakfast options is spiced millet porridge. Cook millet with water or your favorite milk, and add warming spices like cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon. Another great option is khichdi, a traditional Indian dish made with rice and lentils. Cook it with vegetables and spices for a complete and satisfying meal. These breakfasts set you up for a day of feeling balanced and energized. Breakfast doesn't always have to be a grand production. Sometimes the most nourishing thing we can do is slow down and savor a moment of quiet. Brew yourself a cup of soothing tea like ginger tulsi or cinnamon licorice. Ginger is great for digestion, and tulsi has a calming effect. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar levels, and licorice is naturally sweet and soothing. As you sip your tea, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just be present in the moment. Pairing your tea with a handful of soaked almonds or a small bowl of fruit can add a touch of sweetness and nourishment to your morning ritual. As women, our bodies are constantly changing throughout the month. During the follicular phase, enjoy lighter breakfasts like smoothies, fruit and nut bowls, or yogurt parfaits. In the luteal phase, your body needs more grounding foods like oats, eggs, or quinoa porridge. Listening to your body's cues and nourishing it with the right foods at the right time can make a big difference. It can help reduce PMS symptoms, improve your energy levels, and stabilize your mood. Creating a morning routine that truly nourishes you doesn't have to be complicated. Just one nourishing breakfast can be the beginning of a gentler, more empowered way of living. You are worthy of nourishment every single morning. Today, choose one breakfast idea and try it tomorrow. Because healing begins with feeding yourself first in love, not in haste. You've got this. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more simple and delicious recipes.